Are your parents visiting Germany? Don't check only the invitation. The insurance certificate must cover the whole trip. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the 4 details to check before buying cover, and why an invitation, a formal declaration of commitment, and an insurance certificate are 3 different documents. At the end, you'll also get a short checklist for the visa appointment. It will help you verify the information step by step before choosing incoming health insurance. The first question is not, how much does the insurance cost? The first question is this a temporary family visit or a long-term family reunification case? A visit lasting a few weeks or months is different from parents or other relatives moving to Germany permanently. Different visa, residence, and health insurance rules may apply. This video is about temporary visits. For example, when your parents, grandparents, or other relatives travel to Germany and return home afterward. If the plan is permanent family reunification, check the separate requirements of the responsible German mission and local immigration authority. Incoming health insurance is temporary cover for foreign guests. It is not automatically the same as comprehensive German public or private health insurance. For a family visit, its main purpose is to cover specified medical risks during the insured stay. The applicable benefits, limits, waiting periods, exclusions, and deductibles are defined by the selected tariff and insurance certificate. That is why searching only for the cheapest incoming insurance in Germany is not enough. First, you need to get 4 details right. First, does the traveler need a visa? And which current checklist is used by the responsible German mission? Second, what are the exact arrival and departure dates? Not approximately 2 or 3 months, the complete planned travel period. Third, how old is the insured person when the insurance begins? Many tariffs use age limits or different pricing bands. Fourth, should the tariff be selected with or without a deductible? A lower daily rate can mean that the insured person pays part of a covered claim. Put these 4 details, visa, travel dates, age, and deductible, on one checklist. Only then does a price comparison become meaningful. For a Schengen visa application, applicants generally need to prove travel health insurance for the entire stay and throughout the Schengen area. The German Federal Foreign Office states a minimum coverage of 30,000 euros. However, the current checklist issued by the responsible German mission is what matters for the application. Requirements can differ by visa type, country of application, and individual circumstances. Check the insurance certificate before the appointment, not when the documents are already due. And remember, an insurance certificate is not a promise that a visa will be issued. Only the responsible authority decides the application. As a concrete product example, let's look at Care Economy. According to its current summary, this incoming tariff is intended for foreign guests and visitors staying temporarily in Germany and other listed European countries. It can insure people up to the age of 75. Whether it fits your specific case and document requirements must be checked against the current, quote, policy certificate, full conditions, and the checklist from the responsible German mission. Now, consider a typical visit of up to 90 days. The price table supplied for this project in July 2026 lists a daily rate for people aged 64 or younger of €1 with a deductible, or €1.18 without a deductible. For people aged 65 or older, the same table lists €2.95 per day with a deductible, or €3.48 without a deductible. The table also states a minimum premium of €10 per person and insured period. These are price examples, not a personal quotation. Check the current premium and policy terms before purchasing. Why did we ask for the exact travel dates? Because the daily rate can change with the total insured period. The table has 4 duration bands: up to 90 days, 91 to 180 days, 181 to 365 days, and 366 to 730 days. Do not compare a 90-day price with a trip that is actually supposed to last longer. Enter the entire planned period and request the total price for those exact dates. The table shows a lower daily rate when a deductible applies, but that difference needs to be considered together with the possible out-of-pocket amount. Do not ask only, how much do I save per day? Also ask, what amount could the insured person have to pay during a covered claim? And exactly how is that deductible applied? For a short visit, a small daily difference may affect the total differently than it would for a long stay. The right choice depends on your risk preference and the current tariff conditions. Next, review the benefits. The current Care Economy Summary lists, among other things, outpatient and inpatient treatment, prescribed medication and dressings, and medically necessary transport. It also describes limited benefits for pain-relieving dental treatment, repair of existing dentures, medically advisable return transport, and repatriation or burial. Limits, conditions, exclusions, or waiting periods apply to particular areas. That is the key point. A long list of benefit names is not enough. Open the complete conditions and check which expenses are covered, what is excluded, and which documents would be required for a claim. Let's return to the invitation. An informal invitation initially explains the purpose of the visit and the relationship to the host. A formal declaration of commitment, called a Verpflichtungserklärung in Germany, can additionally document the host's financial responsibility. Depending on the case and visa procedure, it is submitted through the responsible authority. The insurance certificate, by contrast, confirms the agreed cover for the named insured person and period. These documents can belong in the same application, but they do not automatically replace one another. Always follow the current document list from the responsible German mission. Avoid these 5 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Treating a temporary family visit and long-term family reunification as the same process. Mistake 2. Ensuring approximate travel dates and later discovering that the arrival or departure falls outside the insured period. Mistake 3. Using the wrong age band or calculating age from the wrong date. Mistake 4. Comparing only the cheapest daily rate without checking the deductible, benefit limits, and total price. Mistake 5. Assuming that one product automatically fits every embassy, visa, and individual case. Here is your checklist before the appointment. First, clearly identify whether this is a temporary visit or long-term family reunification. Second, verify the passport details and correct age of the insured person. Third, confirm the complete arrival and departure dates. Fourth, open the current visa and document checklist from the responsible German mission. Fifth, compare options with and without a deductible, including the total price. Sixth, read the benefits, limits, exclusions, and possible waiting periods. Seventh, confirm that the name, date of birth, geographical scope, and complete travel period appear correctly on the insurance certificate. Save the documents digitally and take the required versions to the appointment. To recap, when choosing health insurance for foreign visitors to Germany, the daily rate is only one part of the decision. You also need the correct type of stay, exact travel dates, age, deductible, and current document requirements. You'll find the link to incoming health insurance for parents and family below in the video description. Enter the real travel dates and correct age, compare the total price, and then check the current insurance certificate against the checklist from the responsible German mission. Check the description now. The direct link and the most important verification steps are summarized there for you.